Hello, I'm Jesse Suter, Executive Director of the Center on Disability and Community Inclusion at the University of Vermont, and I'm here to talk to you about Confident Care for Kids. What is Confident Care for Kids? This project increases sensory supports for children with disabilities when they get the COVID-19 vaccine at doctor's offices in Vermont. It's also known as CCFK, or the COVID Vax Access Project. The project produced a Vax Visit prep kit for families. That kit for families includes video resources, advice on how to reduce children's anxiety at the doctor's office, and a script for requesting accommodations. You can get the Vax Visit kit by visiting go.uvm.edu/COVID-vax-access. The project also provided training for healthcare staff on helping children with anxiety. 51 pediatric and family practices got the training and a toolkit with sensory tools and toys for families. Afterwards, providers told us that they felt more confident talking to families about sensory supports, using sensory supports themselves, and also giving vaccines to children with developmental disabilities. We estimate 1,000 children with developmental disabilities got vaccinated with help from this project. This project was a partnership led by the Vermont Family Network and the University of Vermont Children's Hospital and supported by the Vermont Developmental Disabilities Council and our center, the Center on Disability and Community Inclusion at the University of Vermont. You can find out more by going to go.uvm.edu/COVID-vax-access. Thank you so much for your time.